Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Fraud alert. There are some sort of frauds which are going on, and these frauds are actually committed with IELTS students, not by IELTS students. Okay, with IELTS students, IELTS candidates, I would like to tell you about them. Very recently, one of my students who wanted to go abroad and he paid his university fee. Now, he had to change the currency and all that. One of his friends told him that you can pay university fee via credit card. One of my friends, he's got his credit card. You pay him the amount and he will pay your fee via credit card, and the foreign currency rate will be lower, and this is how you can save your money as well. He agreed and he paid 1.5 million Pakistani rupees to that guy. And then what happened? That guy paid the amount, and then through credit card they paid the fee to the university, and the university issued the letter that your fee has been paid and all that stuff. The student was very satisfied and happy that I paid my university fee, thank God, now I'm going to proceed further and all that. And he got that bank statement and everything. He paid for that as well, right? It's common practice. Now, what happened after 45 to 50 days? The person who had paid the fee via credit card, he actually reimbursed the amount back to his own account. Actually, he refunded, he got the amount refunded. There is an option in the credit card that you can just do that. And then university immediately issued him the warning that your fee has been refunded. I mean, the person who paid the fee, he claimed for the refund, and now you are no more student of this university. Your admission has been cancelled. So please, I'm telling you, don't try to pay fee via credit card, via someone's credit card and all that. The same fraud is going on in IELTS, where some people claim that, okay, we'll pay your IELTS fee. We've got, we've got the adjustment with British Council or IDP, and we pay less money, and you can save 5,000 rupees on your IELTS fee, and we will pay your fee, and we pay group fee and this and that. So please don't go for that. That is also fraud. Another fraud. You might see this thing on Instagram and Facebook that they are offering IELTS certificates. They show the pictures of some pretty girls holding IELTS TRF, and then they say you can get the desired band, and they have the SIMs and WhatsApp of +1. +1 is the code, country code of America and Canada. They've got those fake numbers of +1, and they text you from there that we've got people inside and they are going to change your band score. If you have taken your IELTS test already, we can change the band scores. Otherwise, without appearing in the exam, we will change your band score, and they charge a certain amount. Let me tell you, hundreds of students have contacted me who have been cheated by these people. Hundreds, literally hundreds. I've made some videos before as well. So if anyone promises with you to buy IELTS certificate, it's going to be absolutely fake, and at the end it'll be difficult for you to get rid of these bad people. They're going to blackmail you till the last penny they get out of you, or they squeeze the last penny from you. So be careful. This is another fraud. One more fraud is that okay, we are hiring. There is an Australian company and they say we are hiring and we will arrange everything. We will arrange for your IELTS exam. We will arrange for your job. We will arrange for your visa and everything. And in response, they demand certain amount of money from you. That is a big fraud as well. One of my Indian students, he actually told me the whole story. And at the end, that student of mine, he couldn't succeed to get Australian visa and all that. And these people are fake and fraud. And they have photos. They have photos. There is British Council at the back. There is IDP at the back. But all these photos are fake. They claim to be the agents of British Council IDP, but it's absolutely fake. They are not the agents of anyone. They are just the fraudsters, and they cheat the students like this. Okay, so you have to be careful. As I say always, there is no number 2 of IELTS. IELTS is, that is why IELTS is popular all over the world. IELTS is acceptable by every country, by every university, because there is no number 2 of IELTS. You cannot cheat or you cannot get IELTS certificate by paying the money. So these are some common frauds. Yes, if any other type of fraud has been done in your country or as per your knowledge, you guys have my WhatsApp number. Please do let me know. In the name of IELTS, if there is any fraud, any fraudulent activity in the name of IELTS, please do tell me about that, because I would like to aware my students. I don't want those who are watching this video, they are already aware of these things and they are not going to fall prey to these bad people. So if any other fraudulent activity, please do let me know about it and I'm going to highlight that. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best by fair means. Take care. Allah Hafiz.